KSI and his receding hairline. So KSI, Originativity, his real name. He's a famous YouTuber. He was really good in
Rapper.
playing FIFA, a failed rapper. Yeah, and he has a failing energy drink company as well. Yeah.
Why is he
and,
so famous then?
Because you will see he screams.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So I am showing Dr. Preeti KSI's receding hairline.
You said receding hairline. तो इसका मतलब पहले नीचे थी अभी ऊपर चली गई है.
हाँ.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I've seen him wearing bandana.
हाँ. एक टाइम था जब बैंडाना नहीं पहनता था ये.
Okay. Okay, so this means he has a receding hairline. Now, as we discussed just now, in Afro-Americans, I mean Africans, the receding hairline का एक very important reason होता है traction alopecia. जो कि टाइट ब्रेडिंग की वजह से आगे फाइब्रोसिस.
He used to have braids जिसके बाद इसका हेयर लॉस हुआ.
Maybe अगर ये ब्रेडिंग की वजह से हेयर लॉस.
He still has braids.
Yeah, so it is very important to find out the cause of his hair loss and whether it is fibrosing or non-fibrosing. अब ये cause जो है ये आते रहने वाली cause है यानी is it permanent or it keeps on recurring, right? So braiding का मतलब recur करेगी because और पीछे पीछे जाता जाएगा. तो पहले तो braiding should be stopped if it is due to braiding. Because I saw a video of Dr. Gary Linkov, also the famous doctor who reacts to many videos. He said his hair loss, due to his hair loss, he has a, hairline is very up. So there should be a lowering of hairline by a surgery. So I think lowering of hairline will give him a scar like this. Right?
So it will be very noticeable.
Not much noticeable because
scar होगा ना.
बट वो हेयर में छुप जाता है.
अच्छा
हेयर लाइन में. बट बहुत सारे लोग इसको नहीं कराना चाहते बिकॉज इट्स अ मेजर सर्जरी, स्कैल्प लोअरिंग है ना. सो one another thing can be.
Before you get so optimistic, Pele, let me show you his hairline.
Okay.
Let me show you his hairline first.
I actually saw his hairline once.
I dare you.
Bro,
I'm not gonna laugh. On like, bro, like on God, I'm not gonna laugh.
No, but you guys.
No, I'm no. On God, I'm not gonna
But
laugh.
there's a lot of light. I don't know. We might blind people with the
Bro,
shine.
on God, I'm not gonna laugh. I'm gonna be serious as fuck. Remove the bandana. Just do it.
Now he will.
I'm not gonna laugh.
Why are you smiling?
Cause
No, I won't do it until you.
Bro, I'm not gonna laugh.
I need you to be serious. Bro.
Okay, all right, okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Bro, why are you smiling?
I'm not smiling, bro. I'm being serious,
Okay,
bro. I'm not gonna laugh.
Nah, you.
I'm not, bro. What are you, bro?
कितना stressed है अपनी hairline के बारे में? Do you think that's causing him more hair loss?
Stress always causes hair loss.
Even if it's about your hair loss.
Yes. अगर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है तो टिलोजन इफ्लूवियम होता है एंड जब स्ट्रेस कम होगा तब वो बाल वापस आएंगे, जैसे कोविड में बहुत हुआ.
Now I've been watching this guy for 10 years. अभी देखना इसकी hairline बेचारे की कैसी हो गई. He used to have a hairline like me, like यहाँ तक, like इतनी सी जगह. Let's see.
Bro, all eyes on you, bro. All eyes on you.
All right, okay.
आधी हुआ करती थी.
So not only is his mid frontal point gone up, but his temporal point has also gone up. तो आगे पूरा hair loss है. तो या तो ये fibrosing alopecia है because of braiding, फाइब्रोसिस हो गई है, रूट्स चले गए हैं, या फिर ये या फिर इनको मेल पैटर्न हेयर लॉस हो रहा है, तो इनकी फ्रंटल हेयर लाइन पीछे जाती जा रही है.
Both his dad and his brother have really good hair.
They have good hair.
Yeah.
But see, जरूरी नहीं है कि हेरिडिटरी हो. आप फर्स्ट हो सकते हो अपने फैमिली में.
You can be the pioneer.
Yes.
He is pioneer in a lot of things. He is one of the biggest YouTubers. Let's see.
Yeah, this is.
Okay.
He looks like Alien. In Alien versus Predator.
The thing is that हमको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि इनका हेयर लॉस किस वजह से हो रहा है, और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट तरीका इनका हेयर लॉस बेटर करने का है, आगे हेयर लाइन बनाए हम FUE मेथड ऑफ हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट्स। उससे वी कैन गिव हिम अ गुड फ्रेम ऑफ फेस. What he requires is a good frame of hairline on his face.